Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. In the previous episode, you saw us hiking the Seneca Rocks, and in this episode, we will be just driving through some scenic spots. In our list, we have several waterfalls, starting with the Black Waterfalls in West Virginia. It's cloudy today, but it's beautiful. Hope you can hear the sound of falls and wind, birds. The sound is coming from there. Ooh, I can see a little bit. I can see a little bit of the falls. Oh wow. Roaring like Niagara Falls. It's totally foggy. I think it's from the fall itself. Ooh. Oh yeah, I can see the fall there. Pretty cool. Look at that. This is spectacular. Absolutely a rainforest vibe. So there you go. Have you ever been to a rainforest? Yes, Black Waterfalls in West Virginia. So you can go down further, so we're gonna go there first. I really hope the video explains everything, because I cannot come up with good words to narrate how awesome this looks. This is amazing, alhamdulillah. Subhanallah, look at this. Woo-hoo. You know what? Sun or cloud, rain or snow, this fall will be always beautiful.
This is the
Although it
second
was
thing
cloudy,
in our list.
foggy, and misty,
What?
this scenic overlook was really amazing. Far below
Not
was
an
the Blackwater
overlook,
River,
but no
and on
overlook.
the other side there was a tall fall which has three sections. Wish I could capture some drone
Oh,
shots here, but the weather was not allowing me.
ooh, there's another fall.
After this, we are going to see two more waterfalls. We drove through a small town and narrow roads, but then we got onto this off road area where things started to look very adventurous. We have another vehicle in our family group that was behind us.
So we are in two Highlanders. We just stopped here briefly. We can hear the sound of the water. Something goes off-road there. We're going to keep heading that way.
Things don't have to be sunny all the time. Other seasons have its own beauty. Look how cinematic it looks here. We really enjoyed it. While we were driving and enjoying our experience, there was another waterfall ahead of us. It was small, but still pretty cool to look at. Suddenly I looked left and saw it, so we backed up, pulled over so that we can check out this little waterfall.
So we just stopped here just because we heard sound of this, and now we get to see this. Wow, look at that.
This was as far as we could go and park. After this, there was a 10 to 15 minutes walk to our final destination, which was Douglas Falls.
First time I'm walking on a bridge like this. It's so cool.
I really had to walk on this bridge because it looked pretty cool from top. The gushing water below, and it didn't have enough depth, so even if you fall, it was not that serious.
Oh wow, it's gushing there. So cool. That's crazy gushing water. So we have to go down actually, which we will later. But look at that. Just one step at a time. Which way is easier?
I went here and then over and down. That rock is
Walking straight to the falls. Woohoo! Oh my gosh, made it. Whoa. Oh man. It's like a magic world just opened up.
We had lots of fun here. Now it's time to head back, and before that we need to splash some muddy water to have more fun. We are getting hungry, so our next destination is the smokehouse for some lunch. Thanks for watching, everyone.
Oh.
I do 10 more of these, I'll faint.
I'm thinking like, just when I thought Shesha sounds like Mata DC, like the same. Oh. Should have like a coffee station in there.
I'm just riding in third gear all this time. This is it. This
Another
is the last.
20.
No, that means 20 miles per hour.
Yeah, another turn. Sure. Not really.
Oh, why?
There's like a, you did it, and then around.
Oh my gosh. Just when I thought we were done. Let's see if this is the last one or not.
Next.